Alrighty, here is a 50-inch Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan in the rather uncommon Florentine Verde finish. This fan came off of Facebook Marketplace for $75, a little pricey, but I figured for a fan of this level of rarity it was probably worth picking up. It's a pretty cool fan, and it's in really nice shape. When I got it, pretty much the only quote-unquote issue it had was that it was pretty dusty, but it cleaned up well, and it runs great. The bearings make a little noise, but hardly any. It spins really fast on medium and high speed and blows a ton of air. It's really a powerful and wonderful fan, and it is one of the later Delta 2s. I can't remember off the top of my head the manufacturing date. I'll show you guys the tag in a minute and you can see for yourselves, but this is obviously, as you can tell by the bump tip blades and the fact that it's 5-bladed, this Casablanca is from the 90s, I believe the later 90s, like I think 97 maybe, I want to say. And it's got the like medium oak blades, I guess. And it is Florentine Verde, not textured Verde. There is a difference, believe it or not. And I've been wanting to make a video of this fan for a really long time, but I got busy, then I got sick, and then, for the last week in my area, it's just been cloudy as hell, and the lighting has just never been good enough to make a video, so I'm just trying to... And the lighting in this is still probably pretty bad, but we're just going to have to live with it because I need to get this fan down and put some other ones up to make more videos, so... Alright, I'm going to give you guys a close-up of it. EQ 130378 or 79. And we'll start it off on low speed. Just adjust the tripod because I know I'll have people complaining in the comment section if the entire blade diameter isn't within the shot. That's good enough. It does have the nice majestic low speed of a Casablanca fan, and it does actually have a slower low speed than my Decorator Mauve Delta 2, which is running on low speed right next to it, just off camera to the left hand side. Just by a few RPM though, it's not much. Though it appears that it's traveling faster because it has 5 blades, while that one only has 4. And then this one also, I'm pretty sure, goes faster on high speed. It's just kind of interesting to see the difference there as this model evolved. Then there's medium. And it does wobble a little due to the way that it's mounted on the rig. However, for the most part, the blades are in pretty good balance with one another. Like, I've seen much worse. That's probably one of my better ones. Like this medium speed is almost like high speed on like your typical run-of-the-mill Hampton Bay fan, which I've always found kind of funny. It's like on some of these Casablancas that go super fast, it's like their medium speed is like the high speed of like your Hampton Bays and your Harbor Breezes or whatever. And then there's high. Oh, and 90s Hunters. Those fans are like notorious for going really slow. And yeah, that thing is just like a powerhouse on high speed. Blowing wind like a boss. And then off. So there you go. This is my 50-inch Casablanca Delta 2 in Florentine Verde. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.